everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi. For today's video, I figured I could just do a cleaning video because my room is literally disgusting. Like, what? I love watching cleaning montages. It inspires me to clean my room, and so I'm just gonna do one giant cleaning montage. So if you guys like cleaning videos, this is definitely a great video for you. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get started cleaning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.